You want to try out the puppy glam cam? It's a slow motion red carpet for dogs. Who do we have here?
This is George.
George? Hey, George. Oh, so cute. Is he an Australian Shepherd?
He is, yeah.
Oh, wow. How old is he?
He's about a year and a half.
Oh, wow. Still has that amazing puppy energy, I can see. George. Oh, that was awesome. Yeah. That's awesome. Just the biggest smile ever. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate you stopping by.